Snails are a type of mollusk with a characteristic spiral-shaped shell. They are found in a variety of habitats, including land, freshwater, and saltwater environments. Snails are gastropods, which means they have a single, muscular foot that they use for locomotion. This foot is covered in mucus, which helps the snail move more easily across surfaces. Some snails also have a secondary, smaller foot that they use to cling to surfaces. The most distinctive feature of snails is their spiral-shaped shell. This shell is formed by the snail's mantle, a layer of tissue that secretes calcium carbonate. As the snail grows, its shell grows with it, forming a distinctive pattern of ridges and whorls. Snails are herbivores, feeding on a variety of plants and algae. They use their radula, a tongue-like organ covered in tiny, sharp teeth, to scrape food off surfaces. Snails have a unique reproductive system that involves the exchange of sperm between two individuals. Some species of snails are hermaphrodites, meaning they have both male and female reproductive organs, while others have separate sexes. Snails play an important role in many ecosystems. They are a source of food for many predators, including birds, mammals, and other invertebrates. They also help to break down organic matter, such as dead leaves and other plant material, helping to recycle nutrients back into the soil. In addition to their ecological importance, snails have also been used for human consumption and in traditional medicine. Some species of snails are considered delicacies in certain cultures, while others are used in various remedies and treatments. Overall, snails are a fascinating and important part of the natural world, with many unique and interesting characteristics that make them a subject of ongoing research and admiration. One interesting characteristic of snails is their ability to hibernate or estivate in response to environmental conditions. Some snail species are able to enter a state of dormancy during periods of extreme heat or drought, reducing their metabolism and conserving energy until more favorable conditions return. Snails are also known for their ability to regenerate. If a snail loses part of its body, such as a tentacle or even its entire shell, it is able to regrow the missing parts over time. There are many different species of snails, ranging in size from tiny microsnails to larger land snails and sea snails. Some of the most well-known snail species include garden snails, which are commonly found in gardens and parks around the world, and cone snails, which are known for their potent venom. Snails have also been studied for their potential applications in biomedical research. For example, researchers are investigating the use of snail venom compounds as potential treatments for chronic pain and neurological disorders. In some cases, snails can also become pests, causing damage to crops and gardens. Gardeners may use a variety of methods to control snail populations, including the use of physical barriers, such as copper tape or mesh, and the application of pesticides or other chemical treatments. Overall, snails are a fascinating and diverse group of organisms with many unique and interesting characteristics. Whether they are serving important ecological roles, providing food or medicine, or causing problems for gardeners, snails are an important part of the natural world that continues to captivate and intrigue us.